How do you get things done when you have plenty of time? Well, that sounds obvious. You have plenty of time. But that can actually be a problem because you will find yourself procrastinating because you have plenty of time. So you'll check your email, check Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, whatever it is that you check, and you won't get things done. So there's an easy cure for it, but you may not like it. Let's see. So the cure I use when I need to get things done, because I have the whole day. I quit my day job in 1995 and I've done my good deal of procrastination. I have found that the solution to having plenty of time and not getting things done is to limit your time. So what I do is that I set up a schedule in Google Calendar, for example. And then I have some hour slots where I'm supposed to do different things. For example, from 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm supposed to do some kind of product creation. So I write, in other words. From 12 o'clock, I'm supposed to write my emails, depending on how many I have. Sometimes it takes 10 minutes, sometimes it takes an hour if I have many emails to write. And then again, I have other tasks during the day. But every task I split up in quarters of an hour. So I use a Pomodoro timer like this one you see in here in my work counter. You can set it at different times, 15, 25, however long you prefer to work. For me, I have found that the best spot is 15 minutes at a time. So I work for 15 minutes, then I get up and stretch a bit, fetch a cup of tea, or take Nef, my dog, to the balcony. She loves it out there. Then we stand in the sun for a few minutes and check if there are any cats in the neighborhood. She's obsessed with cats. And then I go back, set the timer again, and write or work for another 15 minutes. That's how I get a lot of things done. Another thing I do is perhaps my secret weapon. I have a dashboard with daily tasks, and I feel so good when I check off those little marks and say, okay, now this is done. I know it's crazy and stupid, but it feels good. It's like a reward in itself. Yes, I've done this task, and now I can check it off. I have only one task left for today, but you can see I have only one for tomorrow. Right now, there's going to be more, because at the latest in the evening before, then I come up with the task I'm supposed to do the following day. And they follow a pattern. If I am working on a particular info product, then that's what I'll be working on. If I'm writing a newsletter, then that's what I'll be writing on. So I have special things for special days, but I always work on something, and it's always related to writing. And when I've done the task, whether it takes 15 minutes only or an hour, then I check it off and I feel good about it. So those are my two secrets. Because I have plenty of time, but I also have plenty of time to procrastinate if I don't take care of not doing it. And my secret weapon is the timer, 15 minutes at a time, and this dashboard where I check off all the tasks I do and feel good about it. I hope this can help you too to get a lot of good stuff done.